Oh yeah, look at this guy. Wait till I zoom it in a little bit. Spraying some plume, thick plume. Let's see if we can catch him. Oh yeah, I know what plane that is. That's a 4-engine tanker. That's a blue bottom. I've seen that plane many a times. That's full wing sprayer. See, it's got full wing sprayer going. See it? Can't even tell where the nozzles are. It's just the whole entire wing. Wow. It's going right over my head too. See if I can get a better look. That's a blue bottom. 4-engine. I can't quite see. My eyes are full of sweat. I think it just shut it off. No, he's there. I can't see him. There he is. Oh, sun's right in my eyes. Broken line. I cannot see the screen. I don't know what it's recording. Is it on there? Oh, son of a gun. I got sweat in my eyes, and I don't know. It looks like it shut it off, but it did this. Here, I'll look at it later.